Hey you, this is Jasim from Code With Me, and in this video I'm gonna show you what are variables in Python as well as the basic data types in Python. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon near to it. So without any further, let's jump right into it. Alright, so before speaking about variables, let's first investigate what are comments in Python. So comments are things that does not execute, that does not get executed. So they are very useful in cases where you want to document your code, such as if you write a line of code, you could just write what exactly this line of code does. Okay, so that's what the use case of comments. Okay, so the basic syntax of comments is, for a single line comment you could use hash in front. So that's the syntax of single line comments. For multi-line comments, this is the syntax. Okay, triple quoted strings. Okay, so these are just a regular overview of comments. Then let's move into variables. Okay, so variables, they are containers for storing data values. Okay, which in the sense, in a simple language we could say, if you need to store something, we use variables. Okay, so before going in depth to the variables, one thing to note is that Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning you don't have to declare the variable type and all. Okay, for example, if you're coming from a C or C++ background, you may need to declare the variable before using it, like int a comma b, and those stuff. Okay, in Python you don't need to do that. Okay, so I'll jump into the variable section now. Right now, suppose a is a variable that holds a value 10. Okay, a is a variable that holds the value 10. Whatever and is on the right side gets assigned to a. Okay, that's what is the meaning of this line. So here a is a variable. So the variable, there are four rules. In general there are four rules for declaring a variable. Like a variable must start with a letter or an underscore. Okay, so this format is correct, this too is correct. If it starts with underscore, it's totally fine. Then it cannot start with a number, like you cannot assign 10 equal to 10. That's not possible. So then the third one is, it should contain only alphanumeric characters and underscores. Okay, it should not contain like percentage and these what to say, the special characters and all. It should not contain those things, just the alphanumeric characters and underscores. Okay, so that's third rule. Now the fourth rule is very important. The variables are case sensitive, meaning this age is equal to 10 and age is equal to 10, both are different, not the same. Okay, so that's the fourth rule. Now this is all about variables. So I'm just declaring age is equal to 25. Then I'm just printing out age. Okay, so if we run the program, we get 25. Okay, so that's what is variables in general. Now we're gonna move to the data types, the basic data types in Python. Okay, these are the four basic data types. Okay, it's str, int, float, and bool. Okay, I'm doing the same example, same exact thing. Age is equal to 25. Now this is an integer. Okay, 25 comes under this category, integer. So if you print the type, okay, that's built-in function type of age, type of this variable age. Now if you run the code, we get integer. Okay, so that's the int. Now the string, okay, str, string, which is nothing but something enclosed in a double quotes or single quotes is considered as string. Okay, for example, name. That doesn't make any sense. Name is equal to name. Okay, that does. So this, if we now look into the type of this name, we get str. Okay, that's the second data type. Okay, So you could also do this stuff in double quotes as well for strings. Like if I run again, it gets the same exact thing. Okay, now the third one is float. Okay, float is nothing but floating point value, like 20.5. Okay, now if I do run the code again, we get float. Okay, now that's the float one. Then the fourth one is bool. Okay, bool in the sense is boolean. Okay, boolean in the sense either true or false. So we can assign name equal to false with a capital F, or you could assign age is equal to true with a capital T. Okay, now if I print both of the type of name and age, you could see something like, yeah, bool. Okay, so boolean. So that are basic data types in Python. So this marks the end of this video. So if you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon near to it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.